Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily activate dark theme on YouTube on iOS device, on iPhone or iPad. So for doing this you just need to open YouTube and just click on your channel image, and here you will find settings. So just click on the settings, and so I just choose not settings. So just click on the settings, and here you will see dark theme. So just click on dark theme, and your YouTube will successfully change to dark theme. So now you can see that it began to black color. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.